Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Suha's English podcast. I hope you are doing well today.
Hello, everyone. We're very happy you're here with us today.
Hello, Lina. How are you today?
I'm good, Suha. What about you?
I'm good too. Today, we're going to talk about something simple but very important healthy habits.
Yes, habits that help your body and your mind feel better.
Exactly. Lina, when you heard the words healthy habits, what do you think about?
Okay, I think about small things we do every day that improve our life.
That's a great way to explain it.
Because many people think healthy habits are big, difficult changes.
Like going to the gym every day.
Are eating only vegetables forever?
That sounds very dramatic.
Yes, healthy habits don't have to be extreme.
They can be very simple. For example, drinking enough water.
That's true. Many people forget to drink water during the day.
Sometimes people drink coffee all day instead.
Oh, are you talking about yourself?
Maybe a little.
Coffee is nice, but water is essential.
Yes, water helps your body stay active and healthy.
It also helps you feel less tired.
Another healthy habit is sleeping well,
Oh, that one is difficult for many people.
especially with phones.
Exactly. Many people say, I will sleep early tonight.
And then they start watching videos.
Or scrolling on social media.
And suddenly it's midnight.
Or even later.
Then the next morning they wake up tired and confused.
Yes, and they say, why do I feel so tired today?
The answer is simple not enough sleep.
Sleeping well helps your brain rest.
Yes. And when your brain is rested, you think better.
You also feel calmer.
Another healthy habit is moving your body.
Some people hear exercise and get scared.
Yes, they imagine running for hours.
But exercise can be simple.
Even walking every day is very good.
A short walk can improve your mood.
Sometimes when I feel stressed, I go outside for a walk.
Fresh air helps a lot.
And it clears your mind.
Food is another important part of healthy habits.
Yes, what we eat affects how we feel.
Healthy food gives your body energy.
But healthy food doesn't mean boring food.
Exactly. You can eat fruit, vegetables, yogurts.
Let's be honest.
Yes,
Sometimes we just want pizza.
pizza, of course.
And that's okay sometimes.
Yes, the important thing is balance.
Not perfection.
Healthy habits are about making better choices most of the time.
Exactly. Not being perfect all the time.
Also, healthy habits are important for the mind.
Yes, mental health is very important.
Sometimes people work too much and forget to rest.
Taking breaks is also a healthy habit.
Even a small break can help your brain relax.
Another good habit is positive thinking.
Instead of saying, I can't do this, you say, I will try.
Trying is already a step forward.
And progress is more important than perfection.
Now, let's connect healthy habits with learning English.
Yes, learning English also needs good habits.
For example, practicing a little every day.
Yes, even 10 minutes can make a difference.
You can listen to podcasts while relaxing.
Or watch simple videos in English.
You can also learn 5 new words every day.
And try to speak, even if your English is not perfect.
Making mistakes is part of learning.
Every learning experiences that.
What matters is to keep going.
Slowly, you will notice improvements.
Day after day, your confidence grows.
Step by step, English becomes easier.
Oh, Nina, Time flies so quickly. Before we finish, we want to ask you something.
What is one healthy habit you already have?
Or one healthy habit you want to start.
Alright, it's in the comments in English.
It can be something simple.
Maybe drinking more water
Or sleeping earlier.
or walking every day.
Or practicing English.
We would love to read your answers.
We hope you learned something new.
Thank you for learning with us. If you like this episode, subscribe and share it with your friends and family.
Thank you for listening to Suha's English podcast. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.